Hi students, koi unit 4 chemical bonding se amuk yengsi mangda koi periodic classification of the elements do unit 3 da koi yengminakre ko. So unit 4 gi chemical bonding haibasida koi chemical bond haibasi karino yengsi ko. Chemical bond haibasi the force of attractive the force of attraction that binds the atoms together in a molecules ama form tauba matamda atoms sing adubu bind tawriba attractive force tubu khoina kay hara khangnage hai matamda chemical bond haraga khangnai ko so siki chemical bond se akhoina explain tawnabagi damakta some theories khara or molecules natragana compound tubu magi structure oigera natragana akhoi leiriba chemical properties natragana akhoi shape oigera geometry oigera or mase karigidamakta akhoi why do atoms combined or akhoi particular atomsing bind combine tawrino atopasinga combine tawdri karigino ga haina singba question ma'am singsi answer je akhoi ke daraba makhada akhoina tamakadoriba theory khara asina akhoi explain tawgani ahambada akhoi Kossel and the Lewis approach tamani so I Kossel and the Lewis approach KL na irage so this is the theory 1 sina akhoi limitation piraba matungda 2 da akhoi na muktam godoise balance cell electron pair repulsion theory na matamgani so si se mu loiraba matungda akhoi 3 da balance bond theory means BBT na matamgani so BBT se tamba loiraba matungda akhoi MOT haina molecular orbital theory ko si muktamgani then class 11 ki hoji akhoi tamgodoriba chapter sida up to this molecular orbital theory boko so after this mana muk explain tawba ngamdaba singdo akhoi CFT gaina legal fit theory gaina leiri ko sina akhoi class 12 ta mainly tambane now akhoi hoji yengsi Kossel and Lewis approach na mana chemical bond ama bonding gi keno se kamaina explain tawge hebado akhoi hoji yengsi ko se chemical ahanbagi Kossel and Lewis approach da koina Lewis na kari puthoke ha matamda yamna simple oiba Lewis symbol natragana Lewis representation haiba makoi introduce taweba ko that introduce tawriba form si karamba form da no hai matamda say here the nucleus and the inner electrons are represented by symbol of the elements ko symbols of the element and the valence electron by dot and a dot or cross haibani haibadi kaino hai matamda element ama say for example I sodium hekta hairage ko sodium haire sodium se koina electronic configuration kama e 2 8 1 ko question e ba now akoina huji haisi kaino Lewis symbol natragna Lewis notation haisi kaino hai matamda sigi nucleus ne aduga inner electrons means 2 8 sibodi akoi leiriba sodium sigi magi element ki symbol si kaino Na ko so Na haina represent tawrani aduga magi outermost cell da leiriba valence electron sibuna either dot natragana cross na represent tawgani haibni so this representation is known as or are known as akoi kai hara khangnagadoi Lewis symbol natragana Lewis notation hara khangnagadoi ko so sigi Lewis notation natragana Lewis symbol sida akoina valence electron si nataba valence c haiba ma thengnagani valence c haibadi kaino hai matamda akoina Kossel and Lewis approach ki theory si tamba matamda so three types of bond tamgani ko kari kari bono haraga electrovalent bond ko e khakta irage so to the covalent bond and coordinate bond ko three the coordinate bond ko three types of bonds tamgani electrovalent bond or ionic bond sida akoina mase kamaina form tauge ko then magi valence electron sing kamain tawe electrovalent bond sidi akoi electron donate tawraga or electron gain or loss tawraga semgodoini so coordinator na electron sharing tawmidaga equal sharing ko aduga sidana atoms ani du natragana ahum du akoi kedarba one of the atoms na contribute tawrani aduga sharing de pun tawminadoini ko akoi si already class 10 na naina khre so ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯚꯦꯂꯦꯟꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ these three types of bonds ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ either electronꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯂꯧꯁꯟꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ sharing equal sharing ꯇꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯤꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯂꯧꯁꯟꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ sharing ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯤꯕ number of electronsꯇꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯔ ꯈꯪꯅꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ valency of an atom ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯀꯣ so valency of the atom ꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ outermost cell ꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ number of dot ꯇꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏ or ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ equal to 8 minus number of dots ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ A ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ outermost cell ꯗ 3 electrons ꯈꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯝ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ so 3 is the valency of an A atom ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ A ꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ 4 ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯕ so ꯃꯥꯁꯦ 4 sharing ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ 4 is the number of valency ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯅꯤ of atom A ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ 5 ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯕ so 8 ꯁꯨꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ electron ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯂꯧꯁꯟꯕ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ 8 minus ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤ ꯌꯧꯔꯛꯄꯗꯗꯤ 8 minus 5 ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ 3 ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯚꯦꯂꯦꯟꯁꯤꯁꯤ ꯀꯌꯥꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ 3ꯅꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ 8 minus number of dots ꯅꯁꯨ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ number of the dots ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯚꯦꯂꯦꯟꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ so sida depend tawraga akoina Kossel and Lewis na octet rule haiba ma puthoi octet rule haibasi kaino haiba tamda elements sing si in their outermost shell da 8 electrons lai taragadi stable oi haibani ko aduna sigi octet rule sida akoi depend tawraga three types of bonds si akoina electrovalent or ionic bond covalent bond and coordinate bond ko akoi electrovalent bond kamain form tawi akoi khange direct electron transfer taro for example si sodium and chlorine sida kedraba sodium se 281 lay chlorine na 287 aduna 1 electron se chlorine da pithoki matam da kedore 28 lehore so sonda su chlorine da su 288 so 88 surabani they are stable so when the direct electron transfer tawraga same type of bond sibo khoina kai kauke ha matam da electrovalent bond haira khangnei ko covalent bond haira kana khoi ngasai kai haigre atoms ani du equal sharing haidi sida chlorine electron sama thangdoe songi chlorine electron sama thangdoe aduga equal sharing tawmina taragadi madubu khoi kedaraba covalent bond haira khangnei ko so akoina coordinate bond chatringai mamang da khoi formal charge haiba ma covalent bond da leri formal charge si kaino haibadu umtang yengminasi ko formal charge of an atom se kamaina puthokadage ha matamda ahanbada akoina piriba compound dugi magi Lewis structure natragana Lewis notation hana yekanebako so after drawing the Lewis structure natragana Lewis notation ko with akoi Lewis representation hara khangnei Lewis representation ji ye aba matungda akoina magi piriba formula si apply tawgane formula se total number of valence electron in the free atom haibane free atom haibadi kaino ha matamda when the element sina karigumba atopa atoms amataga ko interact tawdringai mamangda leiba magi outermost shell da leiba number of electrons tu akoina total number of valence electron haisne in the free atoms ko aduga mathangda kedaraba total number of non bonding means lone pair of electrons mathangda half of the share electrons means bonding electrons haibako aduduneba example oina khoi makhada lokhalaga yengsi ko example da khoi ozone lokhale ozone se oxygen se kedaraba magi electronic configuration je 2 6 ana lay means atomic number kya no akoi atomic number 8 ni ko aduna 2 6 ana leire so akoi oxygen se in free atoms oina leiba matamda magi valence electron se 6 ni aduna ahanba oxygen 1 ge hana lokhalaga yenge so free atoms oina leiba matamda outermost shell la leiriba valence electron se 6 ni bonding electrons kya no yengsi lone pair kya no yengsi akoi next ko total number of non bonding means lone pair to lone pair di ama leire so number of electrons in the lone pair se 2 leire aduga half leire bonding da kya 1 2 3 4 5 6 ko aduna bond ahum form tawbanina khoi bonding je 6 electrons leire total ma 6 leire so hapchala matungda calculate tor matungda plus 1 tare then another oxygen 2 sigi amuk mark oxygen 2 sigi amuk yenge free electrons kya leire valence electrons 6 leire so minus 4 is the lone pair mari lere, lone pair of electrons mari lere, and minus half of the bonding electrons ko bonding electrons yung torkan 0 tare. Then oxygen 3 ke amu calculate to matam badi akoi kya tare ge ha matam da minus 1 tare ko aduna last representation se koi with formal charge yaung na kamai represent tauge ha badu sita lere ko. Okay, akoi limitation amu yengsi octet rule gi limitation si karino ha matam da akoi stable oiba ngamba compounds khara kari less than 8 electrons tiki ko habadi octet rule na 8 electrons lairagadi stable oi habani but akoi central atom du less than 8 electrons tiki hen less oiba aduga they are stable di oiba element compound khara akoi leiba ngami ko sina limitation number 1. Then limitation number 2, the odd number of electrons label like NO and NO2 ko odd number of electrons 8 phonate odd number of electrons leiba haibani ko. Then mathangdana akhoi more than 8 electrons 8 electrons tagi hen leiba akhoi compound khara stable lei stable oiba, so their stability though cannot be explained by the octet rules in explain to ngamdre ko. Then other drawbacks khara yengsi akhoi noble gas elements in se outermost cell the 8 electrons lay but they can form compounds ko, especially xenon and krypton ani se ke daroba they can form compound with the kanaga fluorine and oxygen ko at extreme case ta ko. Next number 2 point drawbacks the akoi do not this theory does not account for the shape of the molecules akoi haiba ngamde ko. Then this it does not explain the relative stability of the molecules akoi hoji haiba ngamdre haibane ko. Aduna maram moiraga akoi sigi limitations sing se leibana maram moiraga next another theory ama develop tawba darkar oi habani ko aduna valence shell electron pair repulsion theory da chakidoini. So before we are going to valence shell electron pair repulsion theory chatringai mamang da khoina sam akoi ngasai gi electron pithokpa natragana lawshanba natragana share tawba gaina leigiba mayam singdu da akoi they all need energy ko energy changi. So energy jingdo kari kari no haibdo khoi next mathang gi session da khoi amu yengminase.